at the Earth Cafe at the Wynn in Las Vegas, Nevada. We got the pumpkin cheesecake.
At 5 o'clock. Dinner nightly from 5 o'clock. So we'll pause there if you guys want to scan it to get the menu. Quick peek of the menu over here. Pizza from $24. Comment below if we should check this place out sometime. Alright, keep it moving. On the right we got registration, valet, sports book over here on the right. Sports book needs. Willy Wonka. Dancing Drums, Wheel of Fortune, Invaders from Planet Moolah, Mock and Link, Jeopardy, Buffalo, hotel registration.
We're at the Wynn Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. There's 2 rideshare pickup areas. This is the first rideshare pickup area. The registration.
Second one is in the South Towers, so make sure when you're using your app for rideshare, you let them know if you're at registration or the South Tower and text your driver.
Yes.
That's where you get your ride.
And that's where you get your ride. Look at the huge teddy bear. Check out the Formula One Wynn car.
Comment below. Have you tried the lakeside dining or had a cocktail at the art bar while watching the Lake of Dreams show at the Wynn?
The
waffle, kind of like Simon. Dior. You want a picture in front of it? The Red 8 Asian food restaurant opens at 11:30 a.m. daily. The buffet everybody's been waiting for. Guys, plan ahead. Scan that. Reserve a seat at the Wynn Buffet now. Let's see what a bargain the Wynn Buffet is. $39.99. Seats are for $74.99. Sweet. Terrace Point Cafe. Wine and Food Hideaway. Yeah. Awakening. I thought that was Hunger Games with the fire there. Cafe Totaro. The Awakening. Cafe Totaro. Coffee for just $5.19. Egg cheese croissant, $13.49. Orange juice for just $12. What a deal. Ticket office for Awakening. Awakening gift shop. Oh, that's where we leave our car. It's nice of them to keep an eye on it. Don't stay parking in there. Now we know our car is okay. They're doing a good job keeping an eye on it. I appreciate them. I had told them thank you, but I don't want to interrupt them. We need to keep an eye on our car the rest of the time for the ride home. Oh, aquarium down there. Come on, don't get excited and jump in. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Lots more Vegas videos on the way.
And there's 2 rideshare pickup areas. One is